This is how we enjoy for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another t-shirt for you guys. See, lovely looking this one. The pack is good. The logo here, you see the tag number, black, small the size. Lovely looking pack. I like how they pack the product. Lovely. You have a zipper lock. So if you are traveling, you can carry this bag with you. So without further ado, let me take this off from here. See how beautiful this. Lovely. Wow. Very elegant. Let me show you a bit closer. Incerunmen is the branding of this company. Look at the product, guys. How beautiful the t-shirt is. It's a zipper at the top. If I open here, how beautiful this one is. The quality of material, if I show you very close, the stitching you can see here, zipper, the cotton, very high quality cotton. At the bottom here we have two layers, you can see at the top and something attached at the down. Lovely design. Here we go. You can see how beautiful this cotton is. Lovely. Can see underneath the quality. It will last long. This type of cotton, they last long. Yeah, you can see, guys, this is open. The zipper you can close, or between you can leave as you feel comfortable. How it is, you can see, you can use with some jeans. As this one is tight, you can use with a tight jeans or loose pant as you like. Body stretch should be, let me show you how it is. The shoulder here, you see the size is perfect here. This is the small, so I like more tight fit. If you want to more loose, you can use as a loose, but tight fit, it looks more elegant. You can see here how if you're going to restaurant, some party, you can use this one. Lovely zipper, lovely quality of zipper. You can see how it is. If you feel something tight here, you can stretch a bit, because the cotton can stretch a bit according you want. Leave little bit more open if you want to look more masculine in this case, and if you want to look more relaxed, you can close this one as you feel more comfortable. Depend how you feel. You can use also with blazer. I can show you some blazer. This is my dressing room. So this is one of the from Zara here. Let me take this off and let me show you how you can use with a blazer this one. And how it looks with a blazer. You can see how beautiful, elegant this one is with a blazer. You see how elegant this one. Obviously a good looking, good size blazer from good brand. It would be better. See how it is. Now take this off. Without blazer, you go to some place, you take out your blazer. Now you can see how it is full body. In this case, you can use with a boot. You can see something as this, or sneaker or other type as you feel comfortable. Normally with boot looks more rugged, more masculine, strong look. With the sneaker, other things could be more casual. Depends. Some belt, a good tight jeans you can use. You see here I'm using some tight jeans, black in color. Normally black with black, they look better. You can use with white as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.